Hello, this is Philip and welcome to my channel for this new episode of Robospital. In the last episode we worked on 4 loops and we finished the 4th floor, and I thought we were going to the 5th floor, but Eliza invited us to go to the rooftop, so we can't have access to the 5th floor and we have to go to the rooftop. So let's go. Okay, Eliza is here. Fortunately, there's nobody on the rooftop. Blah 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 blah, as always. Not working, new, not working. Right, and here, okay. So we have to repair this telescope here. Starry Night, a robot of the hospital rooftop that searches for stars. Okay. He dreams of venturing into space one day to observe the stars. Perhaps the opportunity is closer than he thinks. Oh, we have a variable inspector here. So, requirements. This star character is called an asterisk. Okay, print a single asterisk. Output this one. Okay, I think we can do that. Like this, for example. With brackets. Submit. Yeah, very good. This is 1 star. We have 8 missions to do. Starry Night 2. I don't know what to expect. An integer n is entered as input. Put 1 star per line, giving you n rows. For example, 3 stars, stars, stars. Okay, so n equals an. So it's an input. So input is a string character. So I have to add this int to convert this character, this string type, into an integer type, and then for I in a range 0n, print stars asterisk. Okay, very good. I'm wondering where this is going. Okay, print a square with. Okay, so n equals int input. Those missions are very simple for now. So for I in a range, I don't need that bracket, I think. 0n. Let me think. If I just write print, it will create a new line automatically. So I'm wondering if there is a print, if I can print without changing the line. So maybe I can create a list. Let's say that I'm not sure it's the best way to do that, but line dot append this and then for I in a range 0 n. If I print, I said just at the beginning of that mission, all the missions are simple, and now I'm looking for that. This won't work. Okay, if I write this, this clearly won't work because 3. Let me see. This is a list. Can I say that? No, maybe it's better to do that. Line equals line plus this. This should work. Okay, this is good. Submit that. I could have done only one loop, writing line equals line plus this, and print line maybe. No, no, it wasn't. No, forget what I said. Okay, mission 4. After and okay, so n equals int input. Print the right triangle with stars where the two sides have a length n. Okay. So maybe this times for I in range 0 n. Maybe now I can do only one loop. So line equals this, and I can say a line equals line plus this, and in the same loop I can print line. Let me submit that directly. Yes. Okay, good. Starry Night 5. Okay, an integer is entered as an input. Print the right triangle. Haha. Okay, let's say line equals that. In range 0 n. Maybe for j in a range. No, I want to say okay. How can we do that? So there is 2 blank and 1 star, 1 blank, 2 stars, and 0 blank, 3 stars, and I wanted something to count the blanks. j equals n minus I. So if I equals 0, j equals n. And I want to add 2, so minus 1. So if n equals 3, the first value of j is 3 minus 0 minus 1, so it's 2. So I can add, can say, okay, now for j in range, not for j, for k in range 0j, line equals a blank like this, and then line equals line plus I add a star, for k in range jn, line equals that, and then I want to print line. Okay, so let's say, okay, 3 here. Okay. Okay, it's not working at all. And yes, and then I have to say a line equals that. Okay. I have to reset the line. 1, 2, 3. 1 blank, 1 star, 2 star, 2 stars, and no blanks, no blank, 1, 2, 3 stars. Right, this is good. Okay. Okay. I already said that in the last episode, but I don't know why they tested all those things. Okay, you test for 3, 1, 2, 4. If it's working, it means it will work for 5 and 6. Episode 6. So we have an input, we convert it as an integer, and print the right triangle. I should have copy my previous script. So now for I in range 0n, so 3 stars. Let's say if I do the same for j in a range, so but no, I want j to be equals to I, and I want to say, okay, for k in range 0j, line equals line plus a blank. If I equals 0, maybe I should start with 1 here, and for k in range jn, line equals line plus the star, and I want to print line, and then I want to know no no, because I don't want to start with blanks. I want to start with stars. So okay, this is the same as the last script, so I just have to switch between stars and blanks. So here j equals n minus I minus 1, and between 0 and j I want stars, and between j and n I want blank lines. I just have to test this because I'm not sure about the indices. So let's start with 3. So 1, 2. Yeah, okay. Okay, stop that. So this like 3. Oh, 1, 2, and 3, and no blank. And then 1 and 2, and no blank. See, yes, one blank. Okay, and 1, and then 2 blanks. And this is all. Okay. Sorry, what? It will be very, very easy to correct my script if I don't have any indication. It seems to be exactly the same here and here and here. And why this is okay, any indication here, please? When r equals, let me just test it. Let me test that. Print I. Okay, so nothing happens here. So when j equals n, I don't have any blank here, so I don't know why. First, so with we are testing with a 3. If n equals 3, j starts j equals 3 too. Okay, because I equals 0, and then for k in range 0, 3, like this. and then I print. Yeah, I don't know. Let's follow that. No. Okay, again. So I equals 0. 1, 2. Okay. So I have 3 loops here. I print what I want, but this is wrong. Honestly, I don't know why. I don't know why, and I will. Okay, let me stop the video for now, and let me pause the video for now. Okay, I'm back finally. It wasn't so difficult. I just have to delete the loop with the empty space. I mean, I did not need the empty spaces here. So now this should be good. Okay. It was very a silly mistake, but that wasn't clear because the last mission we needed the blank spaces. So okay, well, now it's working. Okay. Mission 7. Print the right triangle. For I in range 0n. Okay. So I suppose now I can do this. The two sides of length of n, print n on the first line, n minus 1 on the second, and 1 on the nth. Using spaces, align the output to the right. Okay, using spaces. So that should be good. No, this is not good. I want 3 stars, then a blank and 2 stars, then a blank and 3 stars. So maybe I don't need that. I can just say, okay, here and here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, let's submit that. Okay. And finally, the last mission, Starry Night 8. Starry. An integer is inputs. So n equals int input. Range 0n. Okay, print a pyramid with stars with asterisks where the base has a length of 2n minus 1. Oh, So, so I can say, okay, base equals 2 times n minus 1, yes. I want I to go from 0 to n, and no, to base. So, and when I equals base, so in this case it's equals 5, I want 5 stars. So maybe I can do that. No. No. Okay, this might be a silly idea. It seems to work, so I try with that button here. I didn't submit yet. So I have a base equals to 2n plus minus 1. Okay, I have an empty list, an empty string. First, I fill the list with x's. Okay, and if the base equals 5, so if n equals 3, then I need 5 value here. I need a square of 5 of side 5. Okay, so this is why I need a line with 5 x's. And then, starting from the middle here, I want to substitute that x with a star. So I look at all the I from 0 to n, and I look at the k, and I change the element in the middle first. Okay, so when k equals 0, this is n minus 1. So for example, with n equals 3, you have the first element is 0, 1, and the element of the middle is 2. Okay, so this is why I have a n minus 1. And then I look at minus k and plus k. So if here I have the third element, then I look at the element before and the element after, and I change those elements with a star. And then I can use that join from string. So I look at the head here, and I saw that there was a join here, string dot join list. So you can create a string with a list. So I take all the elements of that line list, and I create a string with that. In that line list, I have x's and I have asterisks. Okay, and at the end, I want to print that string, but I want to replace all the x's with blank spaces. Okay, and then I reset the line and the string again. I think, well, I'm sure this is not the best script, but I tested it with I did one test and it worked. I tested with a 3. So third line, and okay. So again, this is the same problem. So I can change here. I can have spaces, I think, here, but I can't have spaces after. Hi, this is really a shame. I was so proud of my solution. This is working. I want my script to be validated. It works. Alright, I started again. So I have a line. I'm using only strings now. No, just no list, just a string. So for I in range 0n, I look at j equals n minus 1, and I print a blank space here. Okay. So if n equals 3, or I is going from 0 to 2, so 0, 1, 1, 2. Okay, and this means that k is going to 0 to at the beginning to n for the first line. Okay, because at the first line I equals 0, so j equals n, so k is going from 0 to n, but the n is excluded. Okay, so and I just look at line equals line plus blank. Okay, and then I change j. I say, okay, now j equals 2 times I plus 1. So if I equals 0, j equals 1, and I add a star. And this works, as you can see here. And the blank line are only from 0 to j, and after that I add this star here. So this should work. And for example, when I equals 2, when I equals 2, j equals 1. Maybe I have a blank space here. No. Let's say -1 here. No, let's submit that. Okay, good. So with j equals n minus 1, I have a blank character at the beginning of each line, and I didn't want that. Okay, this is now working as I want it to work, because my last script was working. So this is the end of this episode. Thank you for watching. The missions are beginning to be very difficult. This is weird because the last episode the mission was very easy, so we started with very easy missions, and now we have some missions. I don't like that sort of mission because it's just puzzles like this. It's not really programmation. I don't know how to say that. It's just okay. I need to find a way to do that, and I found it, but no, it wasn't exactly what I wanted to do. Well, yeah. And Liza is happy, I hope. Let's go to the 5th floor. Okay, so not working, but now we are allowed to go to the 5th floor. So this will be for the next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.